Uganda versus Anderson Burora Herbert, male adult, age 37 years, Munyarwanda by tribe, businessman, a resident of Chigowa and Tinda Nakawa Division, Kampala District. Statement of offense, count 1, hate speech, contrary to section 26, subsection 1, A, C, and 2 of the Computer Misuse Act, Cap 96. The particulars of the offense read: Anderson Burora Herbert between March 2024 and June 2024 in the areas of Kampala District or thereabout, while using a computer via X handle at Hada HB, shared information that the Right Honorable Anita Anet Among, the Speaker of Parliament of the Republic of Uganda, is a torturer, which information is likely to ridicule or degrade or demean and promote hostility against the said Right Honorable Anita Anet Among.
Is that true, Mr. Burora? The plea of not guilty has been entered on count number.
The Computer Misuse Act, Cap 96. The particulars of the offense read: Anderson Burora Herbert between March 2024 and June 2026 in the areas of Kampala District. 2024. June 2024. In the areas of Kampala District or thereabout, while using a computer via X handle at Hada HB, shared information that the Right Honorable Anita Anet Among, the Speaker of Parliament of the Republic of Uganda, is a murderer, which information is likely to ridicule or degrade or demean and promote hostility against the said Right Honorable Anita Anet Among.
Is that true? A plea of not guilty has been entered.
Count 6, subsection 1A and C and 2 of the Computer Misuse Act, Cap 96. The particulars of the offense read: Anderson Burora Herbert between March 2024 and June 2024 in the areas of Kampala District or thereabout, while using a computer via X handle at Hada HB, shared information that the Right Honorable Anita Anet Among, the Speaker of Parliament of the Republic of Uganda, is a kidnapper, which information is likely to ridicule or degrade or demean and promote hostility against the said Right Honorable Anita Anet Among.
Is that true? Plea of not guilty entered.
Count 4.
True. Plea of not guilty entered.
Count 5. Malicious information contrary to section 28(1) and 2 of the Computer Misuse Act, Cap 96. The particulars read: Anderson Burora Herbert between March 2024 and June 2024 in the areas of Kampala District or thereabout, while using a computer via X handle at Hada HB, shared malicious information about the Right Honorable Anita Anet Among, the Speaker of Parliament of the Republic of Uganda, that she is a torturer.
Is that true? Plea of not guilty on count number 5.
Count number 6. Malicious information contrary to section 28(1) and 2 of the Computer Misuse Act, Cap 96. The particulars read: Anderson Burora Herbert between March 2024 and June 2024 in the areas of Kampala District or thereabout, while using a computer via X handle at Hada HB, shared malicious information about the Right Honorable Anita Anet Among, the Speaker of Parliament of the Republic of Uganda, that she is a murderer.
Have you understood the charge? We read it.
Count number 6. Malicious information contrary to section 28, subsection 1 and 2 of the Computer Misuse Act, Cap 96. The particulars read: Anderson Burora Herbert between March 2024 and June 2024 in the areas of Kampala District or thereabout, while using a computer via X handle at Hada HB, shared malicious information about the Right Honorable Anita Annette Among, the Speaker of Parliament of the Republic of Uganda, that she is a kidnapper.
Is that true? Prove not guilty on count number 7.
Count number 8, the statement of offense is malicious information. Contrary to Section 28, subsection 1 and 2 of the Computer Misuse Act, Cap 96, the particulars read, Anderson Burora Herbert, between March 2024 and June 20.
This is the copy for court, right? Your Worship, the investigations in this matter are still ongoing. Although near complete, the prosecution seeks an adjournment for a mentioned date, that on that date we shall inform court on the status of the investigation. We even want to propose a date.
Not really.
But you'd like to.
Let's leave that court. You have a right to apply for bail.
In accordance with the Constitution, Your Worship, which is based on Article 28.3a. Article 28.3a, which presumes everybody innocent until proved guilty. Your Worship, further Article 23.6a of the Constitution. 23.6a of the Constitution provides that where a person is arrested in respect of a criminal offense,
Just a minute.
that person is entitled to apply to court to be released on bail, and the court may grant that person bail on such conditions as the court considers reasonable. Your Worship, I also want to remind this court of the words of Justice Obola J. in criminal miscellaneous application. In criminal miscellaneous of one must never be curtailed lightly, wantonly, lightly, wantonly, or even worse, arbitrarily.
Your Worship, good enough court has been guiding defense on the requirements under the bail guidelines. It is also a strict requirement to verify all the information that is provided by an accused person in a bail application. It is on that note, therefore, that we seek an adjournment to have all the documents and the information that has been provided to this court in this application verified.
What?
So that we don't deal with fake documents. And this is actually to help court not to take a risk. There are so many things, including company registry documents that have been provided here that need verification, which marriage certificate, so which we cannot verify in 5 days. Your Worship?
Just a minute.
Yeah.
So you want to verify, you want to go to URSB.
Yes, and that's a fact.
You also want to go to that church where they wedded.
Absolutely.
And know that Georgina is a wife.
Yes, because she first
You
stayed
also
with the
want to-
husband.
Mm.
I want to put it clear.
That was a slip of the tongue.
We can't prove that. We need to know. So, yes. So, Your Worship, we need time to verify this information and, yeah, including the LOCs.
Remember what senior counsel Bernard Owondo said? Liberty is the very essence of freedom and democracy. It is our constitutional matrix in Uganda. Liberty looms large. The liberty of one is the liberty of all. That's what I quote him having said. So as you address, you also have that in the back of your mind.
Yes, Your Worship, I would refer to the ruling of this Honorable Court this morning that it is defense that curtailed the applicant.
A wrong strategy.
Secondly, you cannot enjoy those rights, and those rights cannot dispense with the principle of fair hearing. And this is what we are talking about, because these documents have been given to us this morning, and now, and under Article 28 of the Constitution, which my senior colleague, my president, cited, regards as litigation by ambush. So we need to verify this. We can't yes. We would have gotten this before, but because we got them now, we cannot be ambushed to respond.
We are back
to
at
those
legalities.
documents.
Okay.
Most obliged. So we seek an adjournment, Your Worship, for a date, because
How much time do you need?
I need 14 days. Yes, I need to give a reason. Next week, am I protected, Your Worship?
You are protected, counsel. I seek an adjournment of 14 days.
Next week, I have a matter in the ICD with my colleague. It is a panel and it takes precedence, Uganda versus Yahya Manje
Just a minute.
and others.
Next week?
Yes.
The whole week?
Yes, it is a panel in ICD. 4 judges.
Just a minute. Let me write next week.
Yes.
Who and what of counsel Keko?
We are with her. It is Uganda versus
Just a
Yahya
minute.
Manje and others.
Will be International Crimes Division.
Yes. ICD. And
Just a
unfortunately,
minute. In the case of
Uganda versus Yahya Manje and others. Before
What
panel
number?
of 4 judges.
what's the case number, Manje? It's number what?
Let me cross check.
I want to be sure. HCT
Dash 00
-00
dash ICT dash SC dash 0002 of 2018. And it is before Honorable Lady Justice Susan Okalan, 1. Honorable Lady Justice Patricia Saza Waswa, 2. Basaza, yes. Honorable Mr. Justice Bashaja Andrew, the head of the division, and Honorable Lady Justice Alice Komuhanj. Panel of 4 judges, and they take a precedence. Honorable Alice Komuhanj.
So we take precedence over this court.
Yes. And my colleagues here.
Can't you delegate? Can't you get some
We can't
understanding?
delegate. These are matters which are given to officers to handle.
So you can't delegate an officer to come in this court?
Because I'm with her.
In this court?
Absolutely no. Because it would, we can't ambush anyone and say you can't proceed in a matter which they don't know about. I pray to be protected. Father.
You are protected.
Most of the time. So, in that note, on that note, therefore, it will be hard for us as prosecutors in this matter to make an informed response this matter deserves. Your Worship, in that regard, I would request that I be, that this court adjourns this matter on the 24th.
That this court adjourns?
The matter on the 24th at worst, because I just for 14 days. At worst, 24th of July. At worst. Because I also need to organize. And the problem I have is that this matter may spill. There are about 5 cases that are being handled in panel, each panel, in which case it is possible it can spill on Monday, Tuesday. So to avoid that, I will pray for 24.
Who is going to verify? State chief secretary, are you going to move to a church and then you are excused?
Your Worship, we cannot go into details of how the verification is done. For protection purposes, the press is here, every person is here, so we cannot go into those details.
Yes,
the best we can assure you is that we are going to do verification, and we are doing it because it is very important to comply with the laws.
So what Mr. Woon,
Your Worship,
one can remain there.
Your Worship, I think the law precedence was good.
Yes, but now that
so
Madam Keko is going there, and you are going there, and you know all of us, there are 30 lawyers here and only 2 have talked. So I believe that we can reduce this time. Let's get a date next week, not the other week.
Your Worship, next week is impossible.
I'm now going to make a ruling.
Then the ruling, Your Worship, meaning that
I'm going to make a ruling because you have failed to agree. I'm vested with those powers, which are really involved. That is low. Those are 2 weekends. I'm man comfortable with that.
Your Worship, and I think
I am thinking, Your Worship, that in the event, I would think, because really, I also want to have this matter. Yes, Your Worship, just a minute. Your Worship, just protect me.
You are protected.
Your Worship, can we agree on the 23rd? Yeah, we are bargaining, and I think I'm being good.
No.
Senior counsel knows.
Mr. Uno, can we agree a date next week? That I can allow next week, but
Your Worship would like to ask for the earliest day next week, which is Tuesday.
okay, for win-win, can we have Thursday? So that we don't spin it to the other weekend. I'm uncomfortable.
Your Worship, my worry is the constant things that will come up again.
Once we adjourn and they don't come, we know what we do. The law is very clear. The law is very clear.
Your Worship, it's as if it is us, the prosecution, that have caused the delay. It's what I am insinuating.
We go back to what Justice Ogola said.
Yes.
But yes, he said it then. This is 2024, and the era. This is 2024. We're in the era of computer. We're in the era of the computer. Yes. So I am.
So can we have Thursday? Yes.
No.
Yes,
Thursday is not okay. Maybe Friday.
Yes?
Your Worship, let's allow Thursday.
Maybe Friday, because now, You should also put yourself in the shoes of
Friday, I'm not capable of afternoons because afternoons have a challenge. You take here, speak English, and by the time you are speaking English, the banks are closing. So if it's Friday, then it should be in the morning.
No, Your Worship, we are okay with Thursday.
Let's have Thursday.
Yes.
It's a win-win.
Your Worship, yes, this is a constitutional right we are dealing with, Your Worship.
Your Worship, I have given reason why. And actually, even being on Friday, we are trying to make sure that we fall within the negotiations. So I would think at least at most Friday.
And we are coming for the state to reply to the bail application and ruling on the same date. So that means if you give me an afternoon, it will be difficult for me to write a ruling.
No, we do Friday morning.
Your Worship, we object to Friday, knowing that they will want to take advantage of the weekend, my Lord, to go take
In the morning. In the morning.
I know what happens, my Lord. Your Worship, sorry. We appeal to you for Thursday.
Your Worship, and that's why we are suggesting that there is a narrow gap between Thursday and Friday. Friday morning. We are not asking for Friday unless the court is. We are going to submit the whole day, which is impossible.
Your Worship, in all this, while we are having an alphabet of 2 advocates, the third one is left out. And he has been this matter from the beginning, Mr. Chazi. Let the 2 leave, the one will continue.
Why are you 20? Why are you 20? So it is the reason why.
But there is a way you are leaving out for him is not part of that session.
Why are you talking for him?
Don't worry, you have left him out, meaning that he's not taken out. So, Your Worship, we have endeavored the ping pongs of them, but still, finally let this gentleman liberty and business.
Application forms and documents, marriage certificates. Given the nature of this court where we get so many forgeries, I find it fair to allow the state to verify the authenticity of the documents given by the defense. However, the time sought by the state of 14 days to verify the state documents is too long and we hereby reject the same. The state had compromised for 19th of July 2024, while the defense had agreed to 18th of July. In the interest of justice, and since the state has agreed to reduce on the time sought to verify the documents, and further for the reasons given for them to actually not be around or attending a high court session, I do hereby adjourn this matter to Friday 19th of July 2024 at 9 o'clock. For the state to reply to the bail application, the court shall deliver the ruling on the same date. What is adjourned?
Ewunyiza nnyo olwokuba yabadde asazeewo tino charges ate n'abawaata okwamendinga n'ebyo ebintu byonna biri mu kooti ekisinga obukulu tujja kwongera abanga etandise
ekisokera ddala erinnya nansibuga ayanledi wa people power ebintu ebigenda maaso mu ggwanga lino byewuunyisa naye ate nga tetubyewuunya nnyo lwa nsonga ki nti abantu abalina obuyinza babukozesa bonga bwe baagala essaawa eno nze omulamuzi wafulumye munagamba nti bajja tujjanizikwanaawa era ngambye kimuntu agenze kubira mukama wa mubuuze what should we do era mugenzi okulaba nti Burora tafunye bail nali kusipya esaawo omwami osisayidi yennyini n'atugamba bannange sisobola bawa bond kuba sinnafuna odo okubewa speaker Anita Among. so ebintu byakubeera nti ani w'amaanyi akozeseza ofisi ye okubeera nga amateeka n'okubeera nga tulugunya bannayuganda ekitwagazisa mukyalani tamonge alekulire nze nga nasubuga Fatuma ekyanzireyo mukyalo yalekulire ofisi ye agikozeseza bubi nnyo alaga nti alina obuyinza obwenkomeredde yetagambwako tayogerwako tetakola nsobi naye mukwano tujja kugambako ate buli kikyamu kyokola tujja kyogerako bino byonna bye bakola makomero tebalina nsonga gye batuvuna tebalina misango gye batuvuna kyobola bapoliisi bakwata ne bakutwala ne bakuteekako inciting violence n'otuuka mu kkooti nga bakucaginga simanya public nuisance ebintu ebitategeerekeka yasabye okumeetinga nze n'amonge tetulina any relation ate tetulina any history concerns zange zayagala ziri personal bwaba wuliranga yetaaga okunasooka mpandikire mu butongole manye nti sigenda kulaba bitambulagano ngende nga ngwira nti amonge sinze mwetaaga secondly ayite press conference ayite all media houses ziberewo ensonga zenjagala omugamba nzogere ensi yonna eziraba kuba nsonga zikwata ku buli munnayuganda kubanga tetussa mukono tugenda kukunga bannayuganda tuserete mukedeya omukyala baweereza kukola kibanansi Burora makumi ng'akwatibwa bisange byekibatiira waliwo muhabibi yamala lusira kyomwa mbuyafumyani yani We shall be good in Uganda. Tugenda kufungura tujja kukunga bannaffe tujja kugaana forget me anita sikatonda we call for responsible use of authority and power okukozesa omuntu waliwo ekigambo Africa Central and region mayor kyekozesa ubuntu exercise power and authority with ubuntu otherwise